Sonar active, data streaming.
We have a strong anomaly here.
Maintain course. Keep scanning.
An advanced ROV descends into the murky deep, its spotlights piercing the unknown abyss.
Descent rate nominal. Approaching target depth.
My God, there it is! The C-17!
Structural integrity compromised in multiple areas. "50 years of saltwater corrosion. A formidable challenge.
Every cable, every connection must be perfect.
Shackle secured. Confirming lock.
Pressure holding. Ascent rate steady.
The C-17 wreckage slowly ascends from the deep, a ghostly resurrection through billowing silt clouds.
It's up! We got it! Chain tension good. Secure the starboard side.
An epic drone shot captures the C-17 on a salvage barge, towed across the Atlantic at a breathtaking sunset.
Barge approaching berth. Prepare for transfer.
Slow and steady. Approaching hangar entrance.
An aerial drone orbits the massive restoration hangar, revealing the C-17 dwarfed within its organized interior.
This is where we begin. A long road ahead.
Slowly but surely, revealing its true colors.
Look at that! The original livery! Significant stress fractures detected here. Extensive damage. This hydraulic system diagram is crucial. You saw that?
Indeed, the pressure tolerances are tricky here.
Microfractures. Extensive fatigue in this area.
This whole section needs replacement. Too far gone.
Every detail matters. This is history. We'll begin with the starboard wing section.
Agreed. Minimize stress on the fuselage.
First bolt out. The process begins.
Air filtration online. Maintain positive pressure.
Easy, easy. Watch the wiring.
Every piece accounted for. Precision is paramount. A pilot's log. Unbelievable. This is priceless. High levels of chloride present. We need a targeted treatment. Temperature and humidity stable. These are safe. Perfect data acquisition. The digital twin is forming. Phase 1 begins tomorrow. Stay focused, stay safe.
Engine clear of pylon. Lowering to transport cradle.
Laser alignment stable. Continue separation.
Corrosion is extensive.
Every instrument is seized. This pin is stubborn. 50 years of rust. Every line documented. No room for error.
Fluid contaminated. Ensure proper disposal.
Documentation is everything. One mistake can be catastrophic.
Remarkably intact, considering. A testament to its build. Significant contamination. Requires extensive cleaning. All safety pins engaged. Seat is inert.
Remarkable. A time capsule of aviation electronics.
Surface returning to bare metal, ready for treatment.
The solution is working. Corrosion dissolving.
Microscopic clean. Ready for reassembly.
Much better. Now we can properly assess.
This microsample will tell us everything.
Multiple fatigue cracks. This beam needs replacement.
Capturing every micron. This is the blueprint for rebirth. Ensuring structural integrity matches original specifications.
Tolerance within microns. A perfect replica.
Complex geometry, impossible any other way. Titanium strong.
Layup.
Perfect layup, stronger than original metal.
This logic gate is unique. We'll need to emulate it.
Seamless integration. Modern reliability, vintage look.
New seals, new life. This will operate perfectly.
Pressure rising. Perfect fit.
Deep penetration. Stronger than new.
Precise temperature and duration, removing all residual stress. Tolerance within specification. Perfect. Pristine. Ready for the next stage.
Micro cracks detected. This blade cannot be reused. Technicians meticulously disassemble a turbofan engine's compressor stage, revealing intricate airflow paths and delicate
Even application. Essential for extreme temperatures. Perfect spray pattern, no blockages. Achieving perfect balance. Zero vibration.
Every blade torqued to specification. No compromises.
Gasket perfectly seated, ready to close. Upgraded impeller. Significantly improved efficiency. All sensors online. We are ready for power up. Ignition. Capable. Stable. Power is nominal. All parameters within green. Excellent performance.
Strong, clean welds. The backbone is solid.
Perfect fit. The fuselage is regaining its strength.
Solid connection. A perfect skin.
Optimizing strength,
Yeah.
exceeding original design.
All lines connected, no leaks this time.
Every wire to its correct destination. Critical for flight. All modules secured. Climate control active.
Full range of motion, zero backlash.
Nitrogen pressure nominal. Ready for load.
New calipers, new rotors. Stopping power restored.
No leaks detected. Fuel system is sealed.
All ducts sealed. Pressurization system ready.
Clear signal. Global reach restored.
Original markings emerging. A glimpse into the past.
Every detail authentic, as it was 50 years ago.
Modern functionality, classic feel. The best of both.
New parachute, new motor, ready for any contingency.
Smooth as silk. Ready for a pilot's touch.
Perfect clarity. No distortion. Authentic materials, modern safety. Ready for flight. Flight data crystal clear. Instant situational awareness. Laser grid locked. Perfect alignment achieved. Robotic arm engaging. Precision within microns. Micro adjustments, hold steady. Go. Perfect alignment, zero tolerance deviation.
Tail section approaching, gentle descent.
Stabilizer bolts secured. Structural integrity confirmed.
1, 2, 3. Torque to spec.
Gear down and locked. Now, retraction test. Fuel lines connected, no leaks.
Main bus voltage nominal, power flowing. Full range of motion. All surfaces responsive. All systems nominal. Cockpit ready.
Ground, this is Globemaster. Radio check, loud and clear.
Globemaster, loud and clear. Welcome back.
All warning lights illuminate. System check complete. GPS lock acquired. We're on the map.
Fire suppression armed, Ejection seat pins verified.
Excellent airflow distribution. Cabin pressurization will be stable. Flawless surface. Ready for primer. Perfect coverage. No runs, no drips. The original colors. A piece of history reborn. A deep gloss. Fit for decades to come. Perfect alignment. The symbol of its service. Bringing out the detail, giving it dimension.
A mirror finish. Absolutely flawless.
Pre-start checklist complete. Ready for engine start.
Engine 1 spooling. Clear to start 2.
Clear for taxi. Maintain speed.
Lift off. We are airborne.
The C-17 performs a graceful climbing turn over the Atlantic, a majestic symbol of freedom and engineering triumph.
Faster, stronger. It's truly back.
Gear down, 3 green. Stabilized approach.
This specific aircraft served for nearly 20 years before undergoing the full restoration you see here tonight.